Hello, and welcome to the Producttechlab. We're excited to have you here and look forward to helping you bring your product ideas to life. We are providing the solution, Magical Cloud Solution, the invisible shield of protection, cybersecurity. Virtualize like a pro with Producttechlab. Application support. Call to backup infrastructure. AB and training facility.
Technical innovation and idea. Need more scoop on our tech-savvy services? Drop us a line at support@producttechlab.com or zip over to our website https://www.producttechlab.com. Pust. We're also big shots on YouTube. Find us at youtube.com/@Producttechlab and let's be friends. Thank you from Producttechlab, and more detail please mail us.
Hi, welcome once again from Producttechlab. So today's lab for the metallb for Kubernetes. What is metallb? Okay, so before we start, I want to show you one thing. kubectl get services wide. So this command we can understand about the two parts. One for these services. Okay, this is a cluster IP and this is the services. Okay, if we access, there is a two application, one for the red, one for the blue. Okay, red can be accessed like https:// okay, worker node 1 or worker node 2 : and this dynamic IP. For red, we can use this services. Blue, same thing, https:// okay, worker node 1 or worker node 2 and that services. So if we access this service, that means two applications built in the Kubernetes cluster or K8 cluster. Why is K8? I'll tell you later. So this is the cluster basically. So these two applications, red, another is blue. So now you can see the external IP is none. So if I have DNS, domain name system, so if I put the worker node IP, then this dynamic range services, then it's very difficult. So we have required for the external IP. So you can directly access from the outside this external IP, then it will be access this two services or two applications. That's why this metallb is required. Metallb is looking like if you have kind of load balancing, okay, external IP can be or external subnet can be added to these services. Okay, if I add this metallb, so external IP got these services and they can be accessed those applications from the outside. So it looks like this is my outside world connected to the LB, that means metallb, then connect the pods, then connect the services. Okay, so first connect the LB, then pods, then services. This is the architecture will be happen. So if I access like any kind of application, okay, so this looks like kubectl, you can see kubectl gets pods-oy. So there is blue and red is working. Okay, this worker node 1, worker node 2, and this services. If I do one thing. If I do new window, okay, go to the guest, great. So I put https, sorry, http colon double forward slash 192.168.56.31, okay, and give these dynamic range IP services, okay. So you can see the blue page is open, okay, blue page is open, and another is 32683. If I copy and http colon double forward slash, sorry, double forward slash 192.168.56.31 colon control V. So this is not secure connection, correct? So 322.0532683 control V. Let's see, this is a red page. So one for the blue page, another is a red page. There is a two application built in Kubernetes, but you can see this is dynamic range IP address. Okay, so again I'm giving to one thing, I am showing one thing. If you see, there is well-known port. What is dynamic range IP address? This is very important. Dynamic range services. Okay, dynamic services. Dynamic services means 121024 is the well-known KNOWN well-known port, and 1025265535 is dynamic services. Okay, clear? So you can see 32205, 32683. This is a high range. Both are high range. Okay, both are high range services. Okay, high range services. So this is including these dynamic services. Okay, so every time, if I put every time these services want to access or applications want to access, so looking like this. Okay, looking like this. If we do any kind of welcome to the home lab, that then this is my two application, one blue page application, red page application. Every time we need to give it like this, my high range services. Okay, 32683. Another side is like this. Okay, 32205. Okay, great. So metallb is looking like, if we put the kubectl get kubectl get services. Okay, command is there. Okay, so metallb will be happen. Give it to the external IP. That can be easily access those applications, and also we can added those associated with the DNS, so that can be accessed very easily those applications. Okay, so how to build it? Okay, this is the things. So let's begin. Okay, again I'm telling you, don't memorize any comments. Okay, just for logic we need to understand. Okay, so first of all we need to apply this git business conduct. Okay, so GitHub is, you can apply this metallb. Okay, version is 0.13.12. okay, I just put enter. Okay, it is configured and metallb has been created, as you see. Great. So now I have to create one L2 advertising. L2 advertising means this is my L2 label we need to advertise. That means we just add the pool. Okay, we just add the pool. That means we just add the pool means pool name I have created. Okay, just like fast pool, that's my name. Okay, and it is used for metallb system, and name is example just for giving. Control X, Y. Okay, great. Next I need to create the IP address pool. Okay, Control V. Cool. And I need to put these things, API version, and you can see There's fast name. You can see these things. Okay, you can see these things. Okay, logic is like I have created L2 advertise, right? There is mention fast pool. This mentioned fast pool, correct? This fast pool is showing here there. This is getting from IP address pool and namespace metallb. I told you namespace what is namespace, and address range I have put this. That will, if I create any kind of LB, so this range can be get from this. Okay. So now cool. Okay. So if we see the control X, Y, so we have created that we have applied the metal LB. So already associated few things nano, mm, uh, home lab raid services.yml. See, I have added the load balancer. Okay, I have already created the load balancer. So in this load balancer, I have created the load balancer already metal LB. So this IP address already associated. Okay, so control X. So if I already applied it, so if you see kubectl get services hyphen o wide, so you can see 56.240, let's get the IP address. Okay, rate service. Same thing if I do nano home lab blue blue hyphen services.yml. So I just put the type and put load LOAD B caps, okay, BALNC load balancer control X Y and just kubectl apply hyphen F home lab blue dot YML, okay, home lab blue hyphen service YML, and is configured. Okay, if I put services C, we get the IP address of the external, right? So if I do one thing, if I create that part, okay, if I close these things and I have just http 192.168.56.241 and it is a blue page. And if I do 192.168.56.240, this is the rate page. That's cool. That means it is the procedure of the metal LB has been configured. So I have created new applications, build these things, okay, and this application name is orange home lab hyphen orange, and put these services as a load balancer. Okay, so these things I want to show you completely. Okay, go to the Docker, okay, and clear, okay, nano index.html. Okay, cool. And I put the title home lab blue, that's cool, and this is red. Okay, I just do one thing, this is red, and put the black BLS black, cool, and this is home lab black BLS black control X Y, cool. Now I want to build the image in from the Docker. So Docker build hyphen just to forget this command history, go to the history, build E, okay, that's control B, okay, show the 1989 hyphen front slash home lab hyphen black BLSEK dot v1 dot, okay, and this is successfully created and built. Okay, Docker push show the 1989 form slash home lab hyphen black BLSEK dot v1 with the v1 tagged, and push to repository so the manager to run. Okay, I need to wait just 1 minute. Okay, okay, great, okay, 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 it's going on still now. Yeah, it's done successfully. So now go to the master and do the clear cp-f. That means I need to copy from my blue or red, whatever my already created the pod. So home lab hyphen red dot yaml and copy from red to black. Okay, home hyphen lab hyphen black lsk dot yml. That's cool. Nano home lab hyphen black dot yml. So I give it to the name. This name is the black blsk, and metadata I have to create it black because this is required for the when I give it to the service. That time this match level is required. Okay, and same thing is required for it. Right, I need to put the blsk, and my name is black blsk, and this is lab hyphen blsk. Control X Y. That's cool. Now Q ctl apply hyphen F home lab black black black.yml and it's created. Okay, now I have to create as services F. Okay, home lab hyphen red hyphen services to home lab hyphen blsk black hyphen services service.yml. Okay, okay, let's enter nano home lab hyphen black hyphen service yml. Okay, see, this is the load balance already there. Okay, just we need to, okay, if by default we have to create it, so we can do one thing. By default it has been created, so it is node port or container. Basically by default it is taking the container, but it's after I need to change the node port. Now I have to change the load balancer. Okay, so I choose the service black blsk black, and where is the application selected? This is a home lab black. That should be mentioned. Control X Y and Q ctl apply hyphen F home lab home hyphen lab hyphen black hyphen service dot yml, and it's created. Let's check Q ctl apply get services hyphen o white, and you can see black has been ready and load balancer is ready. So if I do one thing 156.242, what is showing on, and if I go to this control V, and it is already reached the pod, so cube ctl get pods hyphen o white. Oh wow, this is error image pull back off. So that image cannot be pulled from the Docker container. Okay, so if you give ctl describe, okay, pods, okay, and I put this home lab black, control C, control V, okay, back in pull image, create the image home lab black v1, start pc1, okay, let's see, Docker container login. If I put this Docker container is basically stay in the internet site, so just verify that thing. Okay, okay, so this thing, just a minute, stairs, okay, stairs and cool. I'm not robot, Docker login. Docker docs, Docker container login. Sign the ID. Okay, just a minute. Docker ID. So username by email address is not supported. Okay, so solve that 89 and put the password. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, yes, so this is successfully logged in. Okay, great. So now I've successfully logged into the Docker. Now sign into again, username, email address. So show me that 59. Continue. And password, need to put the password, 16-bit password I have. I just put these things, continue, and that is done. See, HomeLab Black is already created. That's cool. So just I have put the nano HomeLab -black.yaml. Okay. So that HomeLab Black pool. Okay. Black HomeLab Black v1. Okay. That's cool. This is still, this image is not pulling from this. Okay. Tag name latest. Oh, tag is latest. Okay, tag is the latest. That's not a good sound. And do one thing just to check these things. Tag is v1, but this is the latest is showing. It's not reflected of v1. Okay, no issue. If I do the latest tag, okay, by default it's taking, not an issue. Image, and I just put this Control V latest, Control X, Y, and kubectl apply -f HomeLab black.yml. Okay, and configure kubectl get pods -o wide. Okay, now I need to recheck these things. Okay, this is 6 agnostic, that is blue, black is 6.4 seconds. Okay, that's the black is going on. Black image for back of 19 seconds. Oh, 90 seconds, 55, 39, 40 seconds. Yeah. Go to the Docker. I don't know why this is getting changed. We got all that's the latest that. Lab black v1 latest. There's a default tag. Okay, latest the default tag. Okay, v1 black.v1 default tag LATST repository. Okay, cool. Okay, this is a name actually for these things. Okay, so okay, I got this problem. Okay, I got this problem. This name HomeLab black.v1. Okay, now nano HomeLab having DLSK black.yml. Okay, so I need to put the image black.v1 latest Control X Y, and again I need to apply configure. Now kubectl get pods -o wide. Yes, now see container creating. Okay, that get, and if you see the container should be creating, it is going on. So wait, and it will be happening. So nice, it has been created successfully. So if we see the services, kubectl get services -o wide. So I can see the black 56242. It is 242. Just refresh. Yes, welcome to the HomeLab. Way back. So that's the load balancer is working. Okay, and that's the things in load balancer. I hope you should be understand. If in doubts or anything, please mail us support@producttechlab.com, or you can call me 974-866-756. So as of now, thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.